Hello guys, welcome back to BiotechTrek. I'm Ishika from BiotechTrek is here with another summer scholarship program for you all. So today we have Stowers Summer Scholarship Program. Are you a biology, engineering or life science student dreaming on hand-on research experience in the world-class institution? Then the Stowers Summer Scholarship Program might be the opportunity that accelerate your scientific journey. This prestigious 8-week paid internship is hosted at the Stowers Institute for Medical Research located in Kansas City's Missouri, USA. This scholarship program is going to be held from June 1st to July 24, 2026. The selected scholar will immerse themselves in a high-quality research, also with new collaborative scientific discovery. It's going to be an amazing opportunity because this program offers impressive $5,000 salary. Scholars will receive free housing near the campus, creating a stress-free living environment during the research period. The institute will provide you with the round-trip transportation between your home or school and Kansas City. Now let's scroll down and let's talk about how and when you can apply. The application window opens on October 1st, 2025. Students have until January 16, 2026 to submit their complete application. Once the application cycle closes, result will be released on the rolling basis through March 31st, 2026. So it's important for you all to apply between the timeline. Now let's see who is eligible for this program. To qualify this program, you must complete at least 1 year of undergraduate study or you must recently graduated in field like biology, engineering, etc. and you must be 18 years or older by June 1st, 2026. Now let's move on to what you need to submit. The application required a fully complete online form through a Grade CAS portal. Here you need to write an essay describing your previous laboratory experience, your skill, exposure, etc. Another important component is your statement of interest, where you have to explain why you have to work in this research lab. Now here you can see that the application that you are going to fill, the applicant must upload their unofficial transcript during the application stage. Official transcripts will only be needed upon acceptance. And finally, the program required 2 letters of recommendation also submitted via Grade CAS. Now if we click here on this link, then here we will move to Stowers Summer Scholarship Program site. If we scroll down, we can see the key dates, application dates, deadlines, program beginnings, program ends, etc. We will click here to apply. See, here you have to create your account via your email and your phone number. Then after creating our account, we will get to this page. Here we will write medical research and we will click here to get more information and the description about this program. Through this link, you can just apply your application form. Here, if you need any help regarding your application form, your CV, your SOP, then BiotechTrek is here to help you out. We have our expert team members which will guide you how to apply for your form and just connect with you directly. So don't forget to visit our website and stay connected with us on LinkedIn too. Thank you so much.